everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys what you guys would have been getting at convention, but it got canceled to be online. So yeah, because of coronavirus, I hope you guys are all staying safe at this time because I know it's been kind of hard. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and open it. So I'm just going to show you something that I opened before this video, but it's this blanket. I thought it was super cool. Like, it's just like a blanket like this that I'm going to be putting on my bed because I really like this. So, and it says doTERRA right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says doTERRA. And then it comes with like this thing to put it in. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, so let's go and finish what else is in here. Okay, so first we have this. I have this thing. I'm not sure what this is. We're gonna open it. Oh, and the box is like really big. Yeah. But okay. So I guess this is just like a little card and stuff. And then this is actually pretty cool. I think it's something that you can put your oils in. It has 2 pockets, which is really nice. I like that. I would definitely use this. I like the design, and like I like the color. And like you could just like carry it around with you, like kind of like a wallet, but like cuter version, in my opinion. So yeah, I really like that. That's really cute. Also, we have this card. It's just like a card. It says that. It says a few things on that you can just read. So yeah, next we have, these look so cute. Oh, I think that you put like oils in it right there. And it, like, you can like hang it on your backpack or something. I would definitely bring one of these to school because like I would just like rub it on my hands before school and like all that stuff. I would definitely hang this on my backpack because this is super cute. And it even has like a doTERRA sign. They have it in like this gray color and this green color that I think is pretty cute. I definitely am going to be using those this school year because those are super cute. So yeah. Okay, this one's heavy. Ooh, this looks cool. So it looks like, I'm not sure what this is, but to me it looks like one of those games where you like pull out the brick thing, and if it fall over, you lose. That's what it kind of looks like, and it says doTERRA. But I'm not really sure what this is, but I think that's what it is, I think. And I've always wanted to play that game, but I've never like had the stuff to play that game. So this is actually pretty cool, actually. I really like it. I like how it says like doTERRA and stuff like that. But yeah, I think it's a game. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is super cute. Whew. Okay, so next we have, is this what I think it is? Please say it is. Oh, wrong way. This looks so cute. Oh my gosh, yes. Sorry, I'm gonna show you guys. I think they're cups. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. It is. Oh my goodness. So you can just like put water in this. Let's see how it opens. I think it opens like a cork kind of. Yup. It does. Okay, the straw I love. That's really cute, and it just goes through this like hole. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely my favorite. This is so cute. But yeah, and it has like a doTERRA sign. Yes, I love this. And it comes with another one. This purple one. Ah! I love this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. We've got to buy another box of this, I feel like. If you even can. But I literally love these. These are so cute. Put it right there. Oh, I wish we could buy another box. But I don't know if we can. But, yeah, that's it for today. I really love all of the things that were in here. Like,